On torrent personal general machine, here is the chip operated with pressure, and there are connectors on bottom. Chemicals are pumped by pressure too. There is place for 4 chemicals here. Machine from 2013. Here is computer part. A lot of transistors. Microfluidics. 4 pressure ports. Pressure regulator, filter, threaded neck bottles, and lower lock microfluidic connectors for different size tubing. On the back side is rubber o-ring. There is a manual regulator and automatic regulator with RS232, HP in, HP out, purge, vent. Here is another manifold. We have colored lines, also white line, and they go here to the chip. Colored lines, white one, and without color. So white one, here come 3 lines from the bottles, and the black one also, and they look like this. The yellow tubing is labeled Tygotane. This is interesting loop. It looks like just piece of long tubing. Actually, these are two tubings, narrow, chip and main. So we have here the relays board, and on the bottom is mini vacuum degassing chamber. C-stack. So looks like that. The green one is temperature sensor, and pressure relays are from SMC. Here goes the thick silicone pipe, empty, and it comes here. So it collects some liquids, which it could be that cooling is for electronics. And these white ones, they are thermistors. The 4 chips are 16-bit, 160 MHz analog digital converters. Besides analog inputs, there are digital to analog converters. In this module we have 3-way valves, also from SMC, and these are different. And as well there is pressure sensor from 0 to 30 psi. And this one is a waste. And we have several 3 such bottles. And this is a chip. 1 input port, 1 output port, and a lot of semiconducting. Personal ion sequencer reduced to a shoebox size of parts. These are the middle parts of three-way relays, and these are four ports together. Then we have pressure sensor connected to all ports. They both have indicators, normally connected, normally open. The same for the smaller valves. Liquid switch. These are going directly in and out. These are connected to a common bus. And here goes pipe through the gas there. We have output here, goes to unlabeled tubing, and then we have 6 tubings all connected together to the input of the chip.